What is admin law? Administrative law is the body of law that addresses the actions of administrative decision makers and the manner in which courts can review the decisions of these administrative decision makers, or ADMs for short, to ensure that they observe the limits on their authority. Admin law is really about the supervision of the courts over ADMs. Various individuals and institutions are involved in administrative decision-making, including the legislature, cabinet, ministers, and municipalities. Our focus is on independent administrative agencies, boards, commissions, and tribunals because they play an increasingly important role in our society and regulate many aspects of our life from beginning to end. For example, Ontario has many ministries and agencies created by the legislature, and you can see a list of these ADMs by visiting the Public Appointments Secretariat website. You can do the same on a federal level by visiting the Governor and Council website.